I gave it.
Eric, there's scissors over there.
Need some scissors, Jay?
That day was a given day. If we give a child one present, it's a given day. Today is a given day.
It is.
Well, I got this one.
There's one. Hang on, there's a table over here.
You put those on, didn't you?
There you go.
Okay, look. Claire,
Cool.
it's a cowgirl
Put
hat.
it on. Let's see what you look like.
Oh, Claire.
That is awesome. That is awesome.
I love it,
baby.
Claire.
You like your hat?
What do you
That is
say to
cool.
Tyler?
You love hats too.
Thank you.
Let's see, Claire. Can you look here?
Look at mommy.
And
Look at me.
it's purple.
Put it- Put it on. Let's see. I love it,
That
Tyler.
is so
I
cool.